Choosing the wrong or right niche on YouTube can make the difference between a channel with 600 videos but only 150 subscribers, and another with only 20 videos but 150,000 subscribers. That's 1,000 times the subscribers with just a fraction of the total number of videos. If you're an unknowing YouTuber, you might think this is unfair. You put in the same amount of effort and time, if not more. Yet the other guy gets more views and already bought that new car he's been teasing, while you can't even hit the first 1,000 subscriber mark to get monetized. However, the truth is far simpler than you might think. You just may be in the wrong niche. Here's the thing, the majority of YouTube channels fail, and it's not because their videos are that much worse than others. Most of the time, it's simply because these creators chose the wrong niche. So to make things easier, I've spent the past few days and nights diving deep into research to uncover 15 of the most profitable faceless niches that you can start right now and still strike gold. Because of the number of niches, I won't be creating demos of each of these videos, but I'll do my best to show you exactly what you need to create your own. So let's dive in. The first niche on our list is history. Just take a look at your recommendations and you'll notice some of these viral history shorts. Channels like Stellar Sagas and History Bypass are getting millions of views making such videos. The best part about these kinds of videos is that you can easily create them using AI. You can use ChatGPT for the script by pasting a simple prompt. Once you're done, simply head over to 11 Labs and generate the voiceover. Next, you need to create the images. Feel free to use your preferred image generator, but I recommend Leonardo AI or Ideogram if you're on a budget, and GPT Plus or Midjourney if you've got a few bucks to spare. Once everything is ready, you can put them all together using CapCut. Oh, and if you need consistent images for this style of video or want a detailed breakdown, feel free to check out this video I made about how you can create some pretty badass history shorts. The second is health and wellness. It's a niche that will always be relevant on YouTube. The best part about it is the various monetization sources for this niche, like affiliate marketing, selling health courses, and sponsorship from health brands. To truly stand out, you can even consider some of these sub-niches. Channels like this one are killing it in creating faceless videos in this niche. You simply need to grab some stock footage from any of your favorite sites, add a voiceover from 11 Labs, or any other text-to-speech platform, and then top it off with decent editing. Take a look at some of the videos in the niche, and you'll be surprised by how simple the videos are. Next on the list, we have AI. AI is gaining momentum lately, and channels like these keep blowing up and gaining massive following within their first year. The best part about this is that the niche is still trending now, despite the recent competition. But newer channels can still find their place by creating a sub-niche for themselves, or simply choose one of the existing sub-niches, like focusing on teaching how to make AI videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or simply testing out new AI tools or just AI news. The possibilities are endless in this niche, and I've outlined the whole process for creating a faceless channel like mine in this video. Most of these channels have an avatar, so you can create one using any of the popular AI image generators, and create the lip movement using tools like HeyGen or DID. For the voiceover, you can choose a character from 11 Labs' voice library. And that's pretty much all you need for the branding, like in my case. Next on the list is the movie explainer niche. These are some of the most popular videos, not only on YouTube, but also on Instagram and TikTok. Successful channels in this niche are making thousands of dollars each month. Oh, and if you're worried about whether such content can be monetized, check this out. You just need to follow YouTube's policies to avoid violations. To create such videos, you first need to look for movies with high IMDb ratings. Then you can ask ChatGPT to create a script for a specific scene in the movie. Make sure you don't provide any spoilers for the entire movie, as that could land your channel in trouble. Now, you need to create a voiceover with your favorite text-to-speech tool, and don't forget to download the movie or just the scene. To avoid any copyright issues, make sure you only use 5-second clips max when editing. Next on our list is storytelling with AI. People love storytelling videos, and channels like this have proven what viewers think about using AI-generated videos for storytelling. The best part is that these videos are enjoyable to watch for both adults and kids. Their scripts are mostly based on folktales, biblical stories, or any interesting stories you can think about. To create these videos, you first need to generate your script using ChatGPT. Then, generate the images with your favorite AI image generator. To create the animation, you can use tools like Runway ML or Luma Dream Machine. You also need a voiceover, so you can paste your script inside 11 Labs and hit the Generate button. Finally, you can put everything together using CapCut. Feel free to check out this detailed video I made on creating videos for this niche. Next is using this popular video style for comedy. Stick figure animations are some of the most outstanding videos on any social media platform. They're short and funny, making them very difficult to skip. Quite frankly, the numbers on these videos can be difficult to believe. Unfortunately, creating this style of video requires a bit of expertise. You need to put in a bit of hard work. But it's honestly worth all that effort when you look at these jaw-dropping numbers. To make it easier, I've created a playlist where I teach everything you need to know to create your very own stick figure animations, including how you can create your very own characters. The best part is that you can do this with completely free tools. Simply grab your phone or laptop, and you're good to go with this niche. Next on our list is the what if niche. What if aliens exist? Or what if the dinosaurs never went extinct? These hypothetical questions have crossed our minds, and it's always intriguing when you see videos about them. This is what makes this style of video a huge magnet. And this channel is dominating the niche. You don't need to be an expert in any field to create these kinds of videos. ChatGPT can do most of the hard work for you. From idea generation to script writing, ChatGPT is your best asset in this niche. It can even create the images for your story if you're on any of the paid plans. To make things easier, you can check out this detailed tutorial I made on creating this style of video. Next, we have pet and animal videos. We've seen videos like these all over social media. And what's interesting is that channels like this one are simply printing money posting these animal videos. Videos like this will continue to be funny and cute, so this niche is one you definitely don't want to miss. You don't even need to resign yourself to using other people's animal videos alone. You can create funny or cute videos of your own pet, and people are gonna love it. No need to show your face or anything like that. Next on our list is quizzes and riddles. This style of video is quite simple, and channels like these are killing it with these unbelievable numbers. What's more interesting is that this works for both short and long-form content. Keep in mind that the quizzes need to be intriguing, and the presentation should also be engaging. To create these videos, you simply need to ask ChatGPT to give you a list of compound words, separate them, and also include emojis. Finally, put them into a table and instruct GPT to include the voiceover. You can now use Canva to create the rest of the video. I won't be going into details for this video, but feel free to let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a dedicated video on creating this style of video. Next on our list is Animal Facts niche. Channels like this one are simply creating videos about real and extinct animals. And just look at some of the views they're getting. And what's more interesting is that these videos are quite easy to make. No need to worry about consistent characters or even animating your images. Keep in mind that animating your images for these videos would definitely help you stand out. But that isn't very necessary, so you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you some intriguing topics about any or a specific animal. Once you have it, all you need to do is generate a short story about that particular animal. You can finally ask for a few prompts that you can use to generate your images. Feel free to use your favorite image generator at this stage. But once you're done, you can generate the voiceover with 11 Labs and edit the final video in CapCut. And just in case you want to animate the images, you can use any of these popular AI video generators. I already have a full tutorial on creating videos for this niche, so feel free to check it out. Next on our list is one I like to call imaginative photography. And this may be the easiest style of video to create on this list. It doesn't even require a voiceover. This channel is doing great in this niche, and all they're doing is taking countries, states, or even car brands and reimagining them as Disney characters, Transformers, and more. They use ChatGPT to generate the descriptions for the characters and then proceed to create the images using Midjourney or any free AI tool. This video covers the whole process of creating these kinds of videos, so feel free to check it out for a more detailed tutorial. Next, we have animal stories. I'm sure we've all seen these viral animal videos all over social media. The best part is that this doesn't only apply to cats. Channels like these are blowing up from creating these viral videos. The videos are short, punchy, and visually appealing. Couple this with some perfectly catchy soundtracks and you have a viral video. You can ask ChatGPT for a storyline, but I suggest using your imagination to come up with a wild and intriguing story. Once you have it, you can generate prompts for creating your scenes and characters. I won't be going into detail in this video, but feel free to check out this dedicated one I made on creating this style of video. What's even more interesting is that you can create these videos using completely free AI tools. Now let's move on to the next niche, which is Stoicism. This niche simply involves creating motivational and inspirational videos based on ancient Greek and Roman philosophies. Channels like these are pulling in these crazy numbers creating such videos. The best part about this niche is that the videos are very easy to create. You only need a script, AI-generated images of muscular ancient Greek statues, and finally a deep male voiceover. I haven't made a video about this niche, but there are plenty of tutorials all over YouTube. Next, we have the scary stories niche. Channels like these are killing it in this niche, and the most difficult part of the whole process is coming up with scary stories, which can be solved with AI. That said, I don't recommend using AI to generate these stories, but it can give you some good ideas that you can modify. Once you have your idea, all that's left is to create the voiceover using text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs, and also generate images for the video. You may not even need consistent images for most stories, so feel free to use any free image generator. Then you can move on to CapCut for the editing. I don't have a dedicated video for this niche, so feel free to add a comment if you want me to create one. You can also try a simple search, as I believe a few creators have made videos on this topic. Finally, we have anime motivation. This niche is quite popular and very lucrative if done right. Some people simply use clips from existing anime to create their stories and sometimes end up getting penalized. But why use someone else's copyrighted content when you can create your own? It's the age of AI, people. And you can create some very cool anime shorts with the right tools. Fortunately, I've already created a detailed video on this niche, so you can check it out. But to sum it up, you simply need to create the images and animate them with your favorite AI tools. Then, finally put everything together using CapCut. You'll be surprised to see some of your results looking considerably better than some of the anime you can find on the market. Keep in mind that the right niche isn't the only deciding factor when it comes to success on YouTube. Consistency, valuable content, good editing, and more play key roles. But if you don't know anything about editing, I got something for you. Simply check out this video on editing with CapCut. Thank you and see you in the next one.